Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to enable SQL Server Authentication. So here you can see currently I have logged in with Windows Authentication, and make sure that in this box should be selected of your server name, and after that click on connect, and after that here click on your server name, right click, and after that click on properties, and after that here you can see call this security, just click on here, and after that make sure that this radio button should be selected SQL Server and Windows Authentication Mode. After that click on OK, again click on OK, and here need to click again security, just click and expand it, and after that here again expand it on this login, and after that here you can see this is going to be our username. Just right click on it, and after that click on properties, and after that here you can see this is going to be username, and make sure that here you need to set your password, and again need to confirm here, and after that here click on status, and after that here make sure that in this radio button should be enabled, and click on enable. After that click on OK, and after that just click on here server name, and again click on restart, and yes. So now just click on here disconnect, and click on connect, and after that this time we need to select this SQL Server Authentication, and after that make sure that here you need to type your login username, this is Sa, and after that here should be written type your password, and after that click on remember password, and after that make sure that click on connect. So now here already you can see I have already enabled SQL Server Authentication. So in this way where you can enable SQL Server Authentication. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. See you in next video. Bye bye.